a science test, scientific reasoning quiz. Before the quiz, they said, are you good at science? Look at the difference between men and women. After, before they knew their score, women said, we say, how did you do? Before they know the score, women say, oh, I didn't do so well. And men say, did pretty good. And then the actual, they scored about the same. That's actually a lot. So this is internal, what we tell ourselves. We're like, oh, I'm probably not. Why do we do that? We're protecting ourselves a little bit, aren't we? We're protecting ourselves, but naturally, we do that more. And the problem is, look at this last one. So before the results, they had an invitation to participate in a science competition. Only 49% of women and 71% of men signed up. So think about that. This is some deep, deep stuff. But what is that telling us? Our confidence. We're talking ourselves out of things before we even do them. We can't do that. We have to act. And so these are just a few of the studies.